Hey, what's up? Look what's back. Got the skid steer back finally after almost a month or something. Got it back. I'm very glad to have it here now. This is the pond. This is what I call our lot. It's not an office. There is no office here. It's just the building to keep our stuff, keep the truck, keep materials. So if you know our logo, our city is known as swans. So got the swan on the logo. We got our little mascot, Jack the Swan, here. So we're gonna call the new lot the pond. I got this dirt brought in. I'm gonna try to bring up the grade of this place. It's so wet, can barely drive in here at all without getting it stuck. So I'm gonna try to grade it off to where all the water will run off the back corner. There's a ditch back there, but right now the water's not running back there. So excuse the lips. I want to apologize for the look. Lips got really sunburned last weekend down at the on vacation for the weekend, and lips got really sunburned, but I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna get to work now. It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna start grading, so maybe by Monday's Labor Day, so maybe by Tuesday everything will be nice and dry out here and we can actually move around and park. So bye bye. All right, got a new week. Having a terrible day already. It's Tuesday, feels like a Monday. Crushing, replacing that old tank. We already got the tank in. Didn't get the camera set up because it was a rough one. So we already got the tank in over here. About to start the drain field. And we had the pump truck breakdown on the way here. Left it in the parking lot so we can come and do this. Leave it here and go and fix the pump truck, and then coming to pump the old tank down over here. So that's our day so far. Hope yours is going better. We got to get to work though. got it done. Got the pump truck fixed yesterday. We got the old tank pumped. We got the drain filled in. We got the new tank in. We got everything connected. Yesterday was a bad day. You have a lot of those when you run a business. It was my fault. I hadn't checked the coolant in the truck. It hasn't been driven in a long time. And it ran hot. But we got it all fixed, taken care of. And here we go. Everything's in. Looks phenomenal. Great job, nice and easy. If yesterday didn't go so shitty, but it did, so it's whatever. We got 2 to do tomorrow. This video is going to be packed full of a lot of work. We got a ton of work coming up. Very lucky. It's not luck. Get what you put in. But got a lot of work coming up this month. A ton of work. That's it. Thanks for watching. On to the next one. New day. Headed out to do 2 drain fills right now. 2 repairs. One's a duplex, one's just a house. Loading up everything right now at the new lot. I don't think I've showed YouTube this yet. The new lot that we got. Got tired of sharing space with a I'm not sure what it was, chop shop, repair shop, whatever. But so we're getting everything loaded up now, headed out bright and early. So I'll see you there. It is hot. We're on numero dos for the day. Got the other one in, starting this one. It's too hot to tell you guys all about it, but it's a repair. We're gonna get to work. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. It's hot and bright. Now watch us work, baby. Finish the second one up. Pretty easy, whatever. Nice soil. A lot of old drain field though, but we got that. Awkward position to dig in. I don't know if the video caught that or not, but if so, you'll see that. Finished it. On to the next one. Another drain field done. Bye-bye. All right, that's it. That's a wrap on the week. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, make sure you like and subscribe, smashing the thumbs up, commenting, sharing, whatever it takes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you all. Bye-bye for now.